So let's start with what is EZManager and why would you actually use it?
If you run concentrated liquidity positions, you already know how it goes. The second you rebalance, add funds, collect fees, or partially exit, the tracking can get messy fast.
So here's the point of EZManager. It's built to make that whole life cycle feel like one continuous position, not a bunch of disconnected moves you've got to reconcile later.
Instead of living in spreadsheets, you can open, manage, and monitor everything in one place with numbers that stay tied to what actually happened over time.
That's the core idea. Better visibility, cleaner workflow, and automation options that still keep you in control of the strategy.
In this education series, we'll start simple. What you're looking at, how to connect a wallet, and how to open a position without overthinking it.
Then we'll get into the operator stuff, my positions, managing a live position, history, analytics, and the automation system with guardrails that keep it from doing something dumb.
And if you're newer to concentrated liquidity, you're still in the right place. We'll keep it practical, explain what matters, and build you up step by step as we go through the series. All right, let's get you connected and oriented. Just enough so you don't feel lost and you know exactly where to go next.
First thing, connect your wallet. Hit connect, pick your wallet provider, and then approve it on your side. Once you're in, don't click everything at once. The real win is just knowing where the core pages live, because that's basically your workflow loop. If you're opening a new position, you can start and explore pools to get a strong overview, or go straight to open position and pick the pair and pool right there. Once you have an open position, your home base is My Positions. That's where you check range status, fees, and hit the quick actions when you need to move fast. When you want to work one position in detail, jump into Manage Position. That's where you adjust range, handle adds or removes, set up automation, and make the actual position level decisions. Then, for tracking your previously closed positions, use History. That's where you can review what happened over time and get a clean timeline of every action plus realized P&L. All right, now that you're connected and you know where everything lives, in the next segment, we're going to walk through opening a position.